Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day. And today, hey, we had one nice one from the AI. So if you've been following Riot at all, you know they had some news yesterday, Foxconn, I think buying their facility, etc., etc. I think they can kind of confirm that this morning. This looked all rosy, and then all of a sudden the market opened and splat. Look at this, look at this, look at this first 15-minute candle. So the AI took advantage of this and initiated a short down here. I mean, it took a while. It popped up, shorted this one at 735. You can see there's that down arrow indicating an AI short. Here was the price, 735. And as we speak, it is still moving down. So definitely, in fact, let me just look. I think that's about, I don't have the percentage, but it's probably about 8% now. So that's a good short from the AI. And I don't know where this is going. I mean, I don't think there's, let me just do a quick check here. I think this might be, yeah, it's only 7% above its all-time low. So anyway, great short from the AI on a day in which not too many alerts from the AI, not too much activity for me either, but definitely a nice one here from the AI. So I want to wrap this up now. In the email you're getting, again, you'll see the link for the test drive. The test drive starts October the 11th, so it's going to start pretty close. That's a week this coming Monday. So the test drive starts on October 11th, runs to the 22nd. That is 10 trading days. So if you can afford $11.11, you can try us out for 10 trading days. So have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll open the room Monday morning at 9 o'clock. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.